or the word green. Green doesn't have an I, but it sounds like it, right? This is because these E sounds are related to the sound, not the writing. It doesn't matter how you write the word, it's how you say it. This is how you're going to be able to read these words. Read. Read. No I, but it sounds like this is an I, right? The sound in words like this, it's a long I sound. And the sound in words like wicked, it's a short I sound. How do we see them? If you go into Google and Google these words, you're gonna see gray letters at the bottom of that word, and they look almost like weird symbols because they are symbols for the phonetic alphabet. Now, the phonetic alphabet helps you figure out how to do pronunciation for words. So you're gonna have the word, how it's written, grammatically correct. Then at the bottom, you're gonna have gray letters that show you how to do the pronunciation for that word. So you're able to say it correctly per se. Now we got long I sound, which is this symbol. There we go. That's how it looks for the phonetic alphabet. And then we got short I sound, which is this symbol. That's how they look. Now, this is short, this is long. So we're gonna put short here. Short I. Long I. Now if I say fit, fit, where does that I word go? Okay. We're all talking. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Raise your left arm, your left hand, if you think it goes in the long I sound, or raise your right hand if you think it goes on the short I sound, okay? Now we got the word fit. We got two lefts. Okay. Now one right. Okay. Now I'm gonna say it again, okay? Left is long I, right, short I, okay? Fit. Short I, correct. If you pay close attention, it almost sounds like the word cuts off the I sound. Fit. Like there's a wall there. Yeah. Now, what about the word greedy? Greedy. Left is long I, right is short I. Now, go. Raise our hands, let's raise our hands. Greedy. Yeah, okay, so we're all doing left. We're all super sure that it's long I. It is long I. Yeah, I'm just messing with you guys. So it is a long I sound. Greedy. You can hear it in the word actually. It almost sounds like it drags. Greedy. In comparison to the word on short I sounds, fit. Greedy. Right? It sounds different, I know. Yes. Now what about a word like wicked? Let's raise our hands. Yeah, okay. We're getting this quickly. Yes, it is a short I sound. I see a bunch of right hands raised. So yes, wicked is in fact a short I sound. Now what about mean? I haven't even counted it, people. Okay, I see one right hand raised. Sorry. Thinking left, right, left, right. Okay, a lot of left hands raised, one or two right hands raised. It is left hand answer. It is a long I sound. Mean. You can hear it drag. Mean. Now, if we look at the comparison with the word wicked, wicked, wicked. The I sound is cut off, it's short. So mean does in fact go here with our long I sounds. Yes. Now, what is this little black box here in our mouth diagram? No idea? Makes sense. Why? Because here, this box is going to tell you where to position your tongue in order to make these two I sounds. Because they're different. Now, in order to make the long I sound, the thing is you have to pay close attention because the difference is not very big, but it makes a difference. Now, right here, this line in the middle represents your tongue. This is your tongue. This is where in the mouth your tongue is going to go, and this back here is your jaw, basically. So, for long I sounds in this case, our tongue goes up and more to the front. Mean, mean. If you concentrate on where your tongue is going, because usually when we speak, we don't focus on what our mouth is doing. Unless we're doing T sounds or the or t, because it's very articulate. But I sounds are not as noticeable. Not at least when you're doing them. But if we say mean, you can feel your tongue not touching the top of the roof of your mouth or touching your teeth, but it goes up and forward. So our long I sounds go right here. These are long I sounds. Now our short I sounds go somewhere close, just raises up but doesn't go forward. Fit. Your tongue raises up into levitating up in the air, no? So our short I sounds go here. Fit. There's not as much movement, even if it's subtle. Right there. Now we got words that we saw in the clip, like green. Where does green go? Left, right. Left, remember, left is for long I sounds, right is for short I sounds. Now, green, where does green, okay? A lot of hands raised, but I only see left hands raised. So yes, that is correct. In fact, green is a long I sound. So yes, I mean green looks similar to the word greedy, yes. See, you made me write it. But yes, green is a long I sound. Right here. What about the word thin? Okay, a lot of right hands raised. Yeah, okay. One left, but it's okay. Yes, it is a short I sound. Thin is in fact a short I sound. Thin. Right here. Yes. Now, let's practice a little tongue twister, okay? We're gonna see, I'm gonna write it with the other one so you guys can separate it from the rest of the stuff. We're gonna say all together, the greedy green goblin is really mean. Now, together. Let's do this, okay? The greedy green, all together though. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The greedy green goblin is really mean. We can clap to it too. Let's do this. The greedy green goblin is really mean.